Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yesterday one of our customers asked us to review this Double Nima blender, and here you go. So this is a 2-in-1 blender. It has the blender and then also the grinder, which you can use for coffee, your egusi, your obono, your dry pepper, and also the blender you can use for your pepper. You can use it for your tomato, just anything juicing. Okay, so it comes with this manual. Now it's very important to read through this manual because not everybody likes it, especially with Nigerians. It's very important to read through the manuals because steps on how to use it, how to wash it, they are all there. Okay, so this is the cover for the grinder, and this is the blender. Okay, so let's bring it out. So this is what the size looks like. It is not really that big. It can serve for personal use and of course for small stuffs. So this is the grinder. This is the stainless Japan grinder, not the regular one. This is actually a very strong Japan make Nima blender. Okay, so this is from Ultimate Household Items. That's our store. So based on popular demand from our dropshippers or resellers, we decided to review it for those that don't know how to use it. Some people are not quite sure if they can use this for egusi or bono and so on and so forth. So on this video we will be reviewing it with egusi, crayfish, fruits, and also tomato. Now don't forget to click the subscription button for more videos, and if you want us to do anything, if you want us to blend anything with this blender, just notify us. If you want us to try anything with the blender or the grinder, we will definitely do it. If you want us to try any other items, we will do it as well. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, we are going to be trying egusi. So let's just start. So this is my egusi. Don't mind the egusi not looking so white. It was so wet, so I had to fry it more so it can dry. Meanwhile, don't do this. Just make sure your egusi is very dry before you grind it. It will make it very easy. Okay, and like they said, 2-3, which means you shouldn't really overload it. The reason why your own might not be working is because you overload it. Don't overload it. This is 2/3 of the size. You can make it highest half. Okay, so let's just know how long it will take. Make sure it is properly fixed. So I pressed it for the first time. I was really thinking this would take so long, but honestly it did not. Okay, as you can see, this was the first attempt. So let me open it and know what it looks like. So this is me checking it, and I was really impressed. Like, I haven't really used this Nima grinder. I haven't reviewed this product before, but this is me doing it now. So it's not really that soft yet. I mean, that's, you know, smooth yet. So let's grind it again. Now I did not really cut this video, so this is just how long it took me. So it took me less than a minute. It took me less than a minute to actually grind this egusi. Now if you make it smaller, the smaller you add, the more it will be easy. At least half, not full. Now see how how smooth this is. Like, I was thinking I was still going to grind it again, but it was so smooth that you can't even get a single lump. This is how smooth it could be. Like, this is a very big yes for me. It's a very big yes for me. So don't forget, don't you wash this. Don't wash the grinder. Always clean it with a dry towel or use something dry to clean it. Don't wash it. So the next thing I'll be checking is crayfish. I know this can actually grind crayfish, but it's very important to know that little things like this can actually save you lots of stress. Okay, so don't mind my crayfish fall, you know. So I just had to add this. This one is just a few seconds, bam, and you're done. So instead of you using mortar and pestle to be pounding every now and then, you can just get this. Like, it's very portable and, you know, very easy to use. Okay, so let's just check it out. I know how long this one will take. You guys know this one will not really take us time, but like someone said, I should actually check it. So this is me reviewing it. It was so smooth. Like, okay, you can actually decide to make yours to be, you know, smoother than this, depending on how you love yours. Okay, so this is a very big yes for me. Okay, so this is our crayfish. So this is the crayfish. Now we're going to be reviewing fruits next. So maybe on our next video we'll be trying obono, we'll be trying coffee, like they call it coffee grinder. So we'll be trying coffee. We'll also be trying different cereals to know if it's actually going to work for them. So now you guys do that. Egusi now is a check, crayfish is now a check. Okay, so you can always send this to your customer or ask them to watch this video. So next we are going to check this fruit. So I have banana, I have watermelon, and also have apple. Please always cut your fruits. Like, I don't like stressing my blenders, no matter what, especially when they are small portable blenders. Always cut it to tiny sizes so that it will be easy. These blades are not really that big, they are not that heavy. These things are meant to serve you for small purposes, so always make sure you cut it. So I had to cut mine into smaller pieces just to make sure I don't stress the blender and I don't overload it, because you get as go carry and put, the blender might not be able to carry the weight. Okay, so this is me just cutting it to tiny pieces. So I actually use this fruit because someone actually asked me, Ultimate, please, can we use this for this particular fruit? Can we use it for apple? She specifically mentioned apple. She felt like apple is actually strong, kinda, that maybe it cannot handle it. Well, that's why I had to do this. Yes. Okay, so let's just pour it inside our blender. Know how long it will take for us to blend this. Now this can serve you very well. For those that don't really do all these rechargeable blenders, this is actually okay. This is very okay. So let's just blend it and know if it's a yes, I be it's a no. If it's a no, I'll definitely say it's a very big no. Okay, so I'm going to pour in my yogurt. Of course, you can actually add water depending on, but me, I prefer adding yogurt. You can add milk, whatever liquid you want to add for your own. This is not me not teaching you. It's not like I'm teaching you how to make smoothie. This is not me teaching you how to make smoothie. This is actually me just trying to experiment if this blender works or not. But then it's actually an extra expo, so consider this as an extra privilege being in our channel. Okay, so I'm just going to blend it. It didn't really take time at all. It was so smooth. So let's check it and know if this is good. Okay, so I have to check it for the first time, and I noticed there were still some apple. Yeah, there were still some apple and some banana that were not really perfectly blended, so I just have to give it another blend. Okay, so here we go. So have you seen it? This is actually a must-have for students, for single, in fact students, for single ladies or single guys that just make small smoothies that they just need for their personal use. So you can just have this for your smoothies alone. Okay, so this is already good. So let's just pour it inside our cup and proceed to check if this can actually be used for pepper, tomato as well. So as you can see, smoothie is a very big check. You can see how smooth. You can decide to blend yours further if you wish to, but this is already okay for me. Of course, that beautiful cup you're seeing right there is a 3-in-1 set, and it's also from our store, Ultimate Household Items. So you can always click the link in our bio to place your order. I told you guys I'll be making this video as much detailed as possible. So now this particular part is very important. So this is me making a video on how to use this particular store for tomatoes. Now, just like I said, don't mind my tomatoes not looking so fresh. I had to get it on the street because I needed to make this video. I told the person that asked for it to be ready in less than 24 hours. So I wanted to make sure I beat the time. So I had to get this tomato. Now there's something that I really noticed. Please don't do this. Don't cut, if you're using this blender, don't cut it this big. Don't cut it this big, because I'll show you guys why I say this. Now, at first I thought the size was okay, it's my pepper, but then I was having, and also always make sure you tight it very well. When I use this I realized that I didn't even tight it very well, and aside from that, it is too heavy for the blade. It is too heavy for the blade. So the moment I noticed it, I didn't really want to stress the blender further to avoid any damage to the coil. So all I had to do was to scoop it out Okay, I had to scoop it out and cut it into a smaller pieces. Now please, this is just you knowing that, just know that you're not supposed to make it big. Yes, these are meant to just serve you, but then don't overload it. It is not a big blender. Okay, so we are just going to bring it out and then cut it into smaller piece. Okay, I think this size is actually okay. So if you have a similar case, just cut it into a smaller piece, just like I'm doing currently. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it, including the pepper. You know, say pepper is strong. Pepper is actually stronger than tomato, so I think pepper was one of the reasons it wouldn't really blend so well. So I'm just going to cut everything and then transfer it back into the blender. Now, the moment I did this, it was just like few seconds and it was all soft and smooth. Like, it didn't really take any time. So please, if you're going to complain that your blender is not working very well, it means you might have overloaded it, or the size of the tomato is bigger than the blade. So instead of you forcing the blender to go through the whole stress, just reduce the size, okay, or reduce the quantity if it is overloaded. Now immediately I cut the whole thing, I put it back again to check, and trust me, they don't really take time. In just few seconds it's all done. Like, it's all done. Now, depending on how you want your tomato to be, you can decide to make it look coarse, you can decide to make it look smooth. So guys, now you guys have seen that Double Nima is a very big deal. You can place your order with the link in our bio. So what do you guys want me to try next? Please click the subscription button. You can drop a comment on the comment section and tell us what we should try next. Thank you all. God bless you.